Okay, the last recording was kind of shit. Like it had no content in it. Absolutely no content. So this video, I have idea. We have to catch an abra. So that is my content. Uh, this guy. So now I want to get Charmeleon to level 23, cause that's what Misty's Starmie is at. So I want level 23 Pokemons. Butterfree, you too. Bro, Butterfree is actually so good. I kind of like Butterfree. We'll train Butterfree. I think everyone likes Butterfree here and there. I mean, I'm not even doing any commentary right now. It's just me tapping my X and I don't know. I mean, I don't want to be annoying. It's late, okay? It's like 1 in the morning. I'm not here to scream and shout. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your offer. Bro, we are cooking. Okay, let's go. Now we need to find that stupid Pokemon. How many Pokeballs do I have? 4. Okay. No, 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 no. Let's see. Can I catch Abra? I also need Twisted Spoon, by the way, guys. That is also a criteria. I need to find Twisted Spoon. Okay, so this guy, let's see. Shit. Also, Abra should be of perfect nature as well. Shit. I think I should first make it sleep and then try to catch it. Okay, let's do this. But he'll die then. Exactly. I think level 12 survives. He's not going to survive, but give me something, bro. This is going to be a grind. So this is content because I am grinding for something that you don't see often. Like you don't see everyone getting twisted spoon. Mm, 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 mm. Are you having fun, guys? Where the hell is twisted? Can it? Um, Bro, I don't think I'm catching Abba at this rate because I'm just killing. What's the strategy here? How do I take an Abba? Also, Abra does have synchronize, so if I use sleep powder, there is a chance that he will make me sleep as well. Bro, come on, bro. Shit. Bro, where the hell? What the helly? Helly? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Should have Pokeball for it. Yep. No. Please. Be a good nature. Please, 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 please. Oh my god, careful nature, are you kidding me? And it has synchronized. Why didn't it pass on to me? He has no items. God damn it. We move on. Thief. Shit. Do you not get items by killing them or something? Wait, does my... Okay, I thought my... Oh, wait, I need this. I need this guy. Yay. No, 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 no. Oh my... Modest. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, that's so nice. That is so nice. On the second, we got a fucking abra, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How do you save? How do you save? Wait, 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 wait. How do you fucking save? Save, 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 save. I think I saved. How much time do I have? Okay, we can grind, we can grind, we can grind more. Now we need, now we need twisted spoon. Fuck. Now we need is a twisted spoon. Come on. Give me twisted spoon. Uh, twisted spoon. Oh wait, why did I do that? Now we can use Pokemon Shift Tab. Yes, Shift Tab. Yes. Yeah. And now we go back to the grind. I really want to get twisted spoon in these like 3-4 minutes, or else I cannot use another video on fucking twisted spoon. Come on, give me the twisted spoon, please. Yes, yes, I did it. I did it, guys. I did it. I did it. Fuck you. I did it. I did it. I did it. Stay straight. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yes, I got it, guys. That's why I am the goat. Um, item take, yes. And now, I need to teleport back. So yeah, we'll teleport back. Shift tab. How much time do we have? Okay. Um, deposit. But which one do I want to deposit? Okay, so this one. Yeah, just deposit this guy. Back, back, back. Okay, and now, um, how do you go? Back, shift tab, shift tab. No, 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 no. Chill, chill, chill. Escape, boom. And if you want, we can do quick stat check. Wait, first I'll just save this. This is, you know what? I'll end it here. I cannot do more. I cannot not do more.